Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P0075 P0076 P0077. If you have any of those three codes, stay with us. We'll explain most likely what causes that and how to fix it. It takes only a few minutes and we're going to explain how we can probably save you quite a bit of money as well, so make sure you stay until the end. Now let's explain what needs to be done. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here that we'll be working on, but it should work on the whole generation as we said. Now this is your engine cover on top. We'll need to go ahead actually and remove that engine cover. Just grab it with two hands and pull it. Okay, and you're going to find out that you have four, let me explain now, four rubber bushings, right here, and those rubber bushings attached to these posts over there. Now with that being said, now if you come guys to your engine, you're going to notice that on the front side of your engine you have your intake manifold, on the rear side you have the exhaust manifold. We need to find the intake manifold side of the engine, and the intake camshaft is located on this side under the valve cover, and if you come right here guys, you have one solenoid that's responsible for the variable timing guys. This solenoid over there, this is responsible for variable timing. And what you need to do now guys, most likely you have a problem with the wiring harness, connector, broken wires, burnt fuse, or bad solenoid guys. It could be even just a dirty solenoid that causes that. Press down here and pull it out. We will explain how you can clean them and test them as well. Make sure you stay with us guys. Now ours is with a Torx 30, but most of the times it's either Torx 30 or 10mm socket, and you will need to remove one bolt. The moment you remove that bolt, that solenoid will be stuck guys. I mean really stuck in some cases, to the point that you cannot pull it just like that. It has a rubber seal, it gets really stuck in the engine as well, so you can twist it a little bit. And this one came out easily because we removed it not too long ago. Now that's the O-ring that we're talking about. This is the solenoid right here. You can guys replace it just like that and fix your codes most likely. Now if you want to see guys how you can test it, how you can find out if it's good or bad, how you can clean it, because sometimes a dirty solenoid can be acting that way, we have a special video that explains that, and you can find it on our channel. It's called How to Clean and Test VVT Solenoid on Hyundai Sonata. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having any of those three codes. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.